Hello friend, how is it going? Welcome back to Diesel Mercedes YouTube channel. In this video I would like to share with the Mercedes-Benz Sprinter owners something what all Mercedes-Benz diesel fanatics know. They are aware of it, all people watching this channel, but might be completely unknown to the Sprinter owners. So let's go and get into it right now. And it's about the automatic transmission. The Dodge, because this is rebadge Mercedes, Dodge will call it NAG1, NAG1, but let's forget about it and let's call it correctly. So Mercedes-Benz, it's 5-speed electronic transmission, and the code is 722.65. And all followers of this channel, Diesel Mercedes, they know I made the video about the replacing leaking electronic connector. Everybody's aware of that, but again, this is for Sprinter owners who might be completely ignorant to it. And let me show you what I have discovered on this one. This Sprinter has approximately 157,000 miles, was serviced in multiple places, but nobody brought it up to the owner's attention. So let's go grab the light right here. And are you ready to crawl underneath the vehicle? So let's come from here. In different video I explain why I cannot use my lift. So here we can see engine oil pan, alternator. Here is the intercooler hose which has bunch of oil on it. What does that tell you, huh? And we are slowly getting to the automatic transmission pan. This one is the 6-bolt. You can see those bolts holding the pan in the place, plus the gasket. And I said it's electronic transmission. So on driver's side there is a mechanical part, but what's about the passenger side? We are getting closer, warmer. This is what we will talk about right now. So this is electronic connector right there. Can you see it? I hope you can. There's exhaust here in the way, so I cannot shove this camera there. But that's the connector, and that connector, it's famous for leaking. And you see how much oil is on it and the dirt. But what I want to show you is follow the wire. Follow the wire, follow the zip tie, and follow it. And see, it's becoming dry. Well, this is because the fluid, which is hopefully original, Mercedes-Benz 134, correct? That's a fluid which is in this automatic tranny. It's actually leaking through this connector, and it's seeping through these wires, and it's crawling up. Believe it or not, Sprinter owners, that fluid will crawl through these wires all the way to the computer and destroy it. It will soak up the whole components in the computer box, and basically you are done. You are ready for big payments. So if you do your transmission service, always pay attention to this connector. If there are any leaks, automatically replace it. As I said, Mercedes-Benz community is fully aware of it. It's old news. We all saw pictures or videos of that fluid going through the wires, through the wiring harness, through the insulation, all the way to the computer, which is higher than the transmission. It doesn't matter. It finds its way and then it will destroy that computer. This connector, here is the Mercedes-Benz ordering number. I just received it yesterday. from the dealer. It costs less than 20 bucks. Now I can open it for you and you can see it. It should be the normal maintenance if you are servicing your transmission, let's say each 40,000 or 60,000 miles. Do yourself a favor. How can we keep this in focus? Where is the focusing point for it? Right there. So do you see it? Mercedes-Benz part. This is how it looks like. Yep. It has a bolt inside. And I did a very detailed video. It was different vehicle. I think Mercedes SLK, but it doesn't matter. The same automatic transmission 722.6 and X. It wasn't probably 0.65, it was something else. Doesn't matter. The same connector. The procedure of replacing this, it's absolutely the same. So I wanted to share this with you. It's really important. Do yourself a favor, replace that. These are the O-rings which might be at fault. Come on, baby. You see 1 and 2. So one of them will be not sealing correctly, start leaking. So I hope you find this information helpful and make sure you are subscribed. I will keep filming. I will be bringing more videos definitely in the future. Thank you for watching and have a great day, my friend.